Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jayna Dari, and on here I post fashion, college, and lifestyle related content. So if you're into that, make sure you go and subscribe. Subscribe button pop up now. Okay, and for today's video, I'll be doing a room tour. I would consider this a small room edition because I do have a pretty small room. Currently my room is in the basement and it was built like this room didn't exist at first. So I'm going to show you guys how it looked beforehand. Hopefully I have a picture. If I don't, this is gonna be pointless. But this is how it looked beforehand and this is how it looks now. And make sure you stay to the end. Watch the whole video to increase my watch hours. Okay? Watch the whole video. Please. Don't click out. None of that. None of that. One, two, three. So first I'm going to show you guys where I got my desk and everything on it. This is the first thing that you see when you walk into my room if you look to the right. But it's just an IKEA desk. Yeah, that's what it's called. And it has multiple drawers. It's really hard to close this. My brother built this, so he probably messed it up. But anyway, it has a bunch of miscellaneous things in here, but mainly school related things that I keep. And I also have like makeup stuff in here. It's a mess in here. I don't really keep that much stuff in there though. So this is from IKEA. This like desk mat right here, this pink desk mat is from Amazon. It's from the brand Wealth, but I'll also try to put everything in the description box. And then this pencil case is from Burlington. It just says don't wish for it, work for it. A little motivation at the desk, you know. This rose gold stapler, I don't even know where this is from, but it's really cute. Do I even use this? I don't even know. But this right here is from Amazon, and it has jewelry compartments at the bottom, and then at the top you can keep makeup. So it's like a makeup slash jewelry case that I got from Amazon. Well, my mom got it from Amazon. My mom decorated my home room, by the way, period. But this is like lip glosses. I keep lip glosses, makeup. I'm not really into makeup, but if you are into makeup, I wouldn't suggest getting this just because it doesn't hold that much makeup. And then this is from Burlington as well. It's like a makeup light. It turns blue, it turns white and yellow, and then like a lighter yellow. But it's just pink as well, and it's from BB. And then also on this desk, I keep my laptop. And then this case is from Amazon. And my desk chair is from Overstock. It's just white, and then at the bottom it has like wooden stool. What are those, wooden legs? Yes, wooden legs. And then this pillow is from Burlington as well, and it's just like, you know, to keep my back supported while I'm at my desk doing work. So yes, this is my lovely desk. It's so beautiful. My little workstation area. For the second part of my room, I'm going to be telling you guys when you walk directly in, this is the first thing that you see. So my bed, and then what I'm sitting on is my bench. It's like white and it's like fluffy. I got this from, it be falling off sometimes. I don't like that. You see all that? But I got this from, well, my mom got this from Burlington, and it's white, and then at the bottom it has gold legs. And then for these decorative pillows, one says good night, the other one's just pink, and these are from Burlington. I believe they're from Burlington. This throw blanket is from Target. It's just gray. My sheets are pink, and they're also from Target. And underneath them I have like gray sheets. Those are from Target as well. And my bed is from Wayfair. It's black with like little silver studs on the sides, which I'll show you guys close up as well. This painting, I believe, is from, not painting, is it a painting? This little wall art is from Burlington as well. It has like a bunch of cute little things on it, which is really cute, and it's still the colors of my room. And then these pillows are all from Burlington. besides the sheet coverings are from Target. They came with a set. And then this throw pillow is also from Target. It's really long, actually, really long. But yeah. Next area is kind of like my filming area. So you guys have seen this a lot, but this clothing rack is from IKEA. It keeps slanting. I don't know what I did. I don't know why it's like that, but it keeps slanting. But for my clothes, I usually just keep clothes that are like gray, black, white, because it matches my room. So I just keep clothes up there that's that color. And then at the bottom, I put like red shoes, gray shoes, black shoes, because it kind of matches my room as well. So I'm like, that's best. So this is just my little filming area / clothing rack. And then above my clothing rack is like a little window sill. I just put some plants up there. I need to find some more stuff that goes up there. So comment down below if you guys have any ideas of what I should put up here, like some plants, some art or something. And then up here is like just gray little pipe coverings. Since I am in the basement, I do have pipes in my room, so I just use these to cover it up. I did this one myself, so it's a little bit, yeah, it's messed up. So next, behind my desk and to the side of my bed, I have my dresser, which is from IKEA, and it's just white. It has 6 drawers, which is good for me. And then I have this gray box, which has nothing in there, just for decoration. This flawless little makeup, little storage thing, this storage cup is from Burlington. This fake plant is also from Burlington, fake flower. Yeah, because I can't have no real flower because I just don't know how to keep up with it. And then this J is from Burlington. This other fake flower is from Burlington. And then this is just like little perfume samplers and all that stuff. It was cute. So I'm like, let me just keep this up here because it matches my room. And then this painting is something that my mom made, and she let me have it because she was not finna use it anyway. And it's just Aaliyah, and it's really cute. So yes, that is my dresser. And above my dresser, I just have this black mirror, which is from Burlington, I believe, as well. So right next to my bed, I have my nightstand, which is also from IKEA. It has 2 drawers. And again, I just put a bunch of random stuff in there, so I'm not going to show y'all. This is just like a little nice thing that it tells you like good things to do for your day. I got it from my mentor. This is from Burlington, this lamp. This long mirror is from Ross. That's me. Okay, this long mirror is from Ross. It's just a white mirror. And then that's just like my little area by my nightstand. And then this wallpaper, which I love so much, is from Amazon, I believe. So this wallpaper just really adds like extra little to the room, I feel like. So my mom just covered it up all over here. So that's what my whole wall is. And then this windowsill, all this stuff is from Burlington, Paris. This fake flower and this is all from Burlington. And it just adds a little bit of extra to the room, which I like. Okay, and finally for my closet. I actually share a closet with my grandmother, so her side is over there, and then this is my side. So here I have a little storage unit for like my shoes and miscellaneous items, which is from Target. And my mom actually spray painted it, and she added Amazon wallpaper to it to make it like, you know, look a little better. But these bins are from Target, and I just keep hair products in it, dance stuff in there. But also I have like some shoes in there as well. If you guys haven't, go check out my shoe collection, my sneaker collection. I'm going to put it in the cue card. But up here I also keep some more shoes, some purses. I'm going to do an accessories collection as well. So let me know if you guys want that in the comments down below. And then over here I also keep some more bags. My Tell Feezy.
I tell easy, but breezy.
My Prada bag little thing. My Michael Kors over here. Ooh, hold on. I'm telling y'all the collection. Hold on. But this is like I keep my robe over here. My shoes, my slides are in here, my Gucci slides. And then this is just a picture of my lovely friends that one of my friends' mom made us before we went to college. Well, I went home. And these are some shoes up here. It's like a little rack. My papa put this in. My papa did my whole room, really. Like, he made my room And then I have a bunch of clothes over there. And then these, I'm not sure where I got these. I got some of these from IKEA, some of these from Amazon. So they're just like velvet, which I like. They look much better. And then over here, I just have like a bunch of random stuff. So y'all don't need to know. This Target like bin, this is my summer bin. It's from Target. And then I have like different like memories in here. Like a bunch of my memories when I was a kid and all that stuff. High school memories, all that. And then this is just my like clothes bin. So nothing major. But this is my closet. It's really cute. It's small, but you know, I make it work. And then this is like my little like tour. So that concludes today's room tour. I hope you guys got some inspiration of what to do with like a dorm or a small room. I feel like my room is a little bit bigger than a dorm. So, you know, just because it's a smaller space, you can still add a lot without it looking cluttered. So I hope this video gave you guys some examples, some places to go look. And yes, make sure to like, comment, and share this video with some more people so, you know, I can get some more viewers, you know. Help me help you. And thank you guys for watching. And I hope to see you guys next time.